Samalola touch the issue in and thirring also Cinda gave a factorization kaji part new at Jangaira. And it also kit topic the Ming the Karlana Tharing Janga the regrouping terms. So our today's topic is regrouping terms. So let's take an algebraic expression like 2xy plus 3x plus 2y plus 3. Now we are going to what? We are going to regrouping the terms of this algebraic expression. So class, now what we will do, we will copy it as it is. Solution 2xy plus 3x and then plus 2y plus 3. Then our next step is we are going to find out the common number or a variable between these two terms, and we are going to find out the common between these two terms. Okay class, now see, we are regrouping the terms over here. Regrouping chair terms lara. So 2xy plus 3x. Here the common is variable x is common. So here variable x is common. We are taking it as a outside. So we left with the 2y inside. 2y multiplied with the x. The product is 2xy. And then when x multiply with the number 3, your product is 3x. Okay class. Plus 2y plus 3. Now 2y plus 3. Here you don't have any common, right? Because here it's number 2, it's number 3. Here it's variable y. Here we don't have a variable. So the common between these two things is a number 1. So number 1 common nikal. So you can take a number 1 and then 2y as it is plus 3 as it is. Okay. So 2y plus 3, 2y plus 3. These two are common. So you can write it only once. So x plus 1 and 2y plus 3 is 2 times. So you can write it only once. So this is your answer, and this is how you are going to regrouping the terms. Okay class. Go to say and the chair ganzo. Okay. Example. Now we are going to do one more example, and after one more example I'll give you some exercise questions or give you some homework questions to solve you by your own self. Okay, now let's take one more example. Okay class, suppose if I take an example like x squared plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Okay class, now again we are going to do regrouping of these algebraic expression. Okay, now so x square as it is plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Okay class, now we are going to find out the common variable or number between these two terms. Okay, here you have x square plus xy. Now here the common is variable x. So we left with the x and inside we left with the y. X multiply with the x, it will become x square, and when x multiply with the y, you will get as xy. Okay class, here you have a variable x, y. Here you have a number 8 and 8. So number 8 is common, you can take it only once. Left with the x plus y. Okay class, now x plus y and x plus y are the common. So you can write it only once. So x plus y and x plus 8 are the regrouping terms of this expression. Go to say, this is how you are going to solve the you are going to factorize the algebraic expression with the help of our regrouping terms. Okay class, now our next topic or next method is using identities. So we are going to factorize the expression with the help of using identities, and I already taught you 4 identities on the previous lecture or on the previous chapter, that is algebraic expression and identities. So here again we are going to discuss these 4 identities. So your first identity is, the formula of first identity is a plus b whole square. So you can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay class, your second formula is a minus b whole square. You can write it as a square minus 2ab and then plus b square. Your third formula is a plus b and a minus b. So you can write it as a square minus b square. Okay class, these, and the last one you have, the fourth formula you have x plus a and then x plus b is equals to x square plus, okay, x square plus x a plus b plus a b. Okay class, these are your 4 identities formula, and on the basis of this formula you're going to factorize the expression. Go to see. So one by one we will discuss it. Okay class, so your first question is, you're going to factorize x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay class, so this is your question and you're going to solve this by using identities. So using, this is x square plus 8x plus 16. So this is in the form of our first identity. Using identity, that is a plus b whole square, which means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equals to x and b. So in place of b square you have a 16, right? So in place of b square you have a 16. You are going to find out for the b. So b as it is 16 the paranja. When square will shift from left to the right, it will become a square root of 16. And in the chapter square and square root, we learn the square root of 16. So directly the square root of 16 is 4. So the value of b is 4. Go to see. Okay class, now now we are going to substitute this value on this side. So in place of a square plus 2ab plus b square, you will substitute all these values. So it will become x square plus 2 times of your a is x and your b is 4. Then the value of b is 4 square. Did it? Okay. So you can express this in the form of, what you can say that it is in the form of x plus 4 whole square. X plus 4 and then whole square, which means it is your like first identity. Here the answer is x plus 4 and x plus 4. Goes to say, the answer is factorized by using identity. Now again we will use one more identity, and after that you will do some exercise question from your textbook for the revision or practice. Okay class, now we will take one more example. If I take an example like 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Now this is in the form of like second identity. So by using a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is equals to 2x, right? Because here you have a 4x square, so, and your b is equals to 2, because in place of b square, okay, see here, data in place of a square you have 4x square. Now you're going to find out the value of a, so you have 4x square. So square root will cancel with the number 4 and then it will become 2. So a is equals to 2x square. Yeah, okay, 2x. Yeah, 2x. So the value is 2x over here. So square root will cancel with the, okay, so the value of a is 2x over here, and similarly in place of b square you have 4, so you're going to find out for the b. So square root of 4 is 2. What's the say? So the value of b is 2. Okay class, now you're going to substitute these two values in this formula. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a you can write 2x square minus 2 as it is. In place of a you will write 2x, and in place of b you will write 2, and then in place of b square you will write 2 square. So your identity formula is, you can write 2x then minus 2 whole square, or you can expand it like 2x minus 2 and 2x minus 2. Okay class, this is how we are going to factorize by using identities. Right? Any identity any factorize. Go to say thank you and have a nice day.